Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, join me in unboxing this Stim Pro hair straightener. It is a gift from my husband. Tada! Let me show you its features and how to use it. Okay. Actually, na-unbox ko na siya sa sobrang excited. Thank you, dear ko, for buying this for me. Okay, this Stim Pro hair straightener has 4 main parts. This is its tourmaline ceramic plate, which is 1.25 degree wide. Ito po yung umiinit. Okay, parang ganito. Okay. And you want to curl your hair, and you just slide it in. Hindi ko pa po siya sinasaksak. Parang tinuro ko lang paano siya gamitin. And this is its temperature display, wherein it can heat up to 235 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature it can reach is 150 degrees Celsius. Okay. This is its swivel cord, where it can turn 360 degrees. And the cord is like 3.5 meters long, which is very efficient, okay, in using it. And this one, if your hair is very dry, don't you worry, because this Stim Pro hair straightener, which is a product of JML, Nice One JML, they included a water tank where you can fill it in with water. Okay, parang steam po siya, di ba? Habang ginagamit mo. And then, how to open this steam tank, water tank, to put in your water. This one, you just pull it in, and aangat na po siya. Okay, then pull it up. And this is the fin that covers the mouth of this water tank, and just fill it in half. Kung po siyang punuin. Okay? To bring it back, remember that the side which has an extra part on its side is the one which you will hold, and you just slide it in downward and then push this down, and you can hear the click. It means it is already set in place. So those are the 4 features: the tourmaline ceramic plate, the adjustable temperature display, the water tank, and the swivel cord. Shout out to all the daddies out there, to all husbands out there. This one can really make the day of your wives, just as it made my day. Thank you, my dear, for giving this to me. This is a great gift, by the way, after taking good care of your kids and taking good care of you as well. This one is a great gift for your wives. So what are you waiting for? Buy this one, daddies, husbands, and help your wives, the mommies out there, to have a great day and play with their hair. They want it to be straighter, they want it to be curly, if they want their hair to be like shinier, because the water tank here really helps your hair to be shinier. Okay, that would be all. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.